Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to reset the oil change light on your Infiniti Q50. First, make sure your vehicle is safely in park. Then, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This powers up your dashboard display, allowing you to access the necessary menus. You'll need to locate the Info button, usually found near your steering wheel or on the center console. Once the ignition is on, press the Info button repeatedly. You'll see various options cycle through your display screen. Keep pressing until Maintenance appears. This is the section where you can manage different service reminders. After reaching Maintenance, use the arrow keys, typically located on your steering wheel, to move through the submenus. Now navigate to Engine Oil within the Maintenance menu. This specific option controls the oil change reminder. Once Engine Oil is highlighted, select it. You will then see an option to reset the oil life. Confirm your selection to clear the current reminder. This action tells your Q50 that a fresh oil change has been performed. After confirming the reset, check your display to ensure the oil life now shows 100% or a new service interval. This confirms the reset was successful. Finally, turn off your vehicle's ignition completely, then restart it. The oil change reminder light on your dashboard should now be off, indicating the process is complete.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.